Welcome to Rect, and let's recreate this poster design I made. So your first step will be obviously color correction of your raw files or images that you have taken. I do my color correction on Lightroom. If you would like to see a tutorial on my color corrections, request in the comments. Maybe we can do something like that in the future. The next step will be to open Photoshop and create a 1350 by 1080 artboard. Reason for this is because that's the portrait size for Instagram posts. For step 4, I made my background. I just merged two images together and I blended it in. I did this using the mask option and using a brush. Drop my opacity and my flow. That way I can blend it in a bit better. The next step will be to mask the car. You do this by clicking on your pen tool, tracing around the whole car, right clicking, selecting mask selection, and then just click OK. And then at the bottom right, you click on the mask option, which will then just mask the layer. So you have a mask layer of the car, which you will move to the top of all your layers, and then we're going to create a Polaroid to put behind that layer. Okay, so the next step is to make a Polaroid. We do this by creating a new layer, then selecting the selection tool, which is the box on the top left. Draw a box to resemble the Polaroid. Color it in white, then draw another box inside the Polaroid and deleting it from the white block. You should have a Polaroid. I added some texture to the Polaroid just so it doesn't look bland, and then just move the layer behind the mask car layer and I'll adjust it to your liking. From there, I started adding my text. For those that don't know, this is a Toyota Mark X. We don't get this in South Africa, for those that are wondering. And it looks like a Lexus to me. Anyways, so the text I wrote, I want to write Mark X. I took the full out the text by reducing the full amount, which is an option above the layers. I then added a white stroke, and adjusted the size. I did the same for the X, except I changed the color of the stroke and I added an inner glow to the X. To add an inner glow, you go to FX underneath your layers and you set your color that you want the glow to be, and you adjust from there. Then I just added my logo, and I thought the Polaroid looked a bit bland, so instead of just having my logo at the bottom, I put my icon logo on the Polaroid along with my name and the event, Germany vs Jack. And that's about it. If you want to learn more or you have any requests on wanting to learn something, please make sure to subscribe and comment in the comment section what you'd like to know or learn.